Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me show you a short little progress of the beets right before we harvest them. How long ago you planted these?
Been like a month.
4 weeks old. And how you know it's ready to harvest, they'll start coming above the dirt, the soil. But here at 4 weeks, they're nowhere ready for harvesting. And then at 6 weeks, still below the soil. But look at that, 9, 10 weeks later, and it's rising above the soil. Look at that, way above the soil and ready for harvesting.
That's not a bad size right there. That's actually decent. And the leaves are also edible, so you could make a good salad. Get this beetroot in there. That's actually pretty good.
Obviously, it's not a lot, but it's enough for our first harvest. And beets is one of my favorite vegetables. It has so many health benefits. It's good for the heart, it's good for muscles performance, it has a lot of stamina and boosts physical activity. Therefore, it's good for athletic performance as well. So, it has lots of health benefits. Anyway, I'm about to prepare these. I'm gonna make some smoothie. I'm going to also make some tea. You can make beetroot tea, or throw that in some salad and enjoy. Anyway, thanks for joining us on our first beetroot harvesting journey. It wasn't really a journey, but thanks for joining us anyway. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.